Tony Serdenes from GPI.
Thanks, Nancy. So I'm here to talk about the Bridge Preservation Coating National Working Group. It was on hiatus for about a year when the chair from Florida DOT retired back in 2021, so we talked about restarting the group. The chair now is Derek Castle. He's with Sherwin-Williams. I'm a co-chair, and the other co-chair is Kimmer Klein with KTA. We talked about our goals and our purpose, and basically it's to identify usage for coatings on in the bridge industry, on steel and concrete, identify concerns by owners, DOTs, on the preservation of our nation's assets, right? And looking at traditionally applied liquid coatings and new technologies and the application parameters inclusive of both surface preparation and application. So we've had two meetings, one in January, kind of a meet and greet, see who's in the group and the interest of the group. And the second one in February was to talk about how we can get more owners, more DOTs involved in this working group, along with other consultants and manufacturers. So the biggest need that we have right now is to get more owners involved, because the more owners that we have to get involved, the better the outcomes are going to be about concerns, about new technologies and those type of things, right? So that's one of our things, is to raise interest and attendance in the group. One of the things that we are going to start talking about that's kind of happening in a few states is single coat inorganic zinc applications in the field without top coats. Florida and Texas have done some testing. Missouri and Washington have bridges in service that have had that single coat inorganic zinc application. And I'm sure you all know that the workhorse of any coating system, what's going to make it or make that bridge either do well or fail is surface preparation and the primer coat. So we're going to talk about that, and of course other things as well involving, again, surface preparation and what's going on now in those new technologies. So if anybody's interested, please reach out. We're looking again for DOT owners to get involved with this, because part of bridge preservation is the protective coating, right? So if anybody's interested, please reach out, and we'd be glad to have you join.
Thank you, Tony.
The preceding was produced by the National Center for Pavement Preservation. More information can be found on the web at pavementpreservation.org. Additional support provided by Michigan State University.